So like you see, Call of Duty Black Ops 4, the private beta has almost like 35. Yo guys, it is Cheese and welcome to this brand new video here on this channel. This is how you get the Call of Duty Black Ops 4 private beta code for all these different platforms, PlayStation, Xbox, and Battle.net, which is, I believe, just PC. What you gotta do is you order the game, and then you go for your email address. You probably got an email which says this is your unique promo code. You just copy this, so Ctrl-C, go here, Ctrl-V, and you choose a platform, which is PlayStation for me. Choose the location, submit. I already submitted. If you actually got it, this is what it says. Your code is now available. Your PlayStation code is blah 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 blah, and so on. So this code, you have to pick this code. You can't really copy paste it, because now you have to go on your PlayStation 4. So you are now on your PlayStation. You go to the store. Please wait. It takes a while. And actually, the only thing you have to do is use your code all the way down here. Just type it in right here.
Go for your code. I'm not sure my code, of course. That would be really dumb. Although I think when I use this, you guys can't use it anymore, but you can never say it was yours. Okay? So
you gotta agree with that. And it says, hey, do you wanna give this code? And then you got like the private beta. Okay, let's do next. Let's accept this. It's actually really easy. You see it? And next. Download. So like you see, Call of Duty Black Ops 4, the private beta has almost like 35 gigabytes. I hope you guys are going to download it as well. If I helped you out, make sure to subscribe down below and like this video. Comment down below if you got some questions for me. And I hope I helped you guys out. That was Cheese. I'll check you guys tomorrow at a brand new video. That was Cheese. Peace.